AUXITO 9005 HB3 headlight LED bulb conversion kit. Highlight features: ultra-thin board design effectively simulates 9005 halogen lamps beam pattern and solves the problem of focusing unevenly or dark area problems. Super focused and high light output provide a wider and farther visible range. No blinding to oncoming drivers keep you and other drivers away from danger in the dark. Almost 1-to-1 same size like halogen 9005 headlight bulbs. Non-polarity plugs perfectly fit into your original 9005 headlight housing. No modification or damages on headlight housing or cover. Upgraded CanBus error-free design and 40-width bulb high output makes these 9005 headlight bulbs compatible with 99% of vehicles without computer system error warnings or radio interference. Whole aviation aluminum body combines with powerful turbofan and special copper board ensure a superior durability up to 50,000 hours. Waterproof and dust-proof allow it to work continuously even in extreme conditions. Why do we design these 9005 LED headlight bulbs with independent driver? We aim to keep the electronic components away from the heat source and guarantee the service time. The built-in Smart IC ensures the best temperature protection and headlight performance.